What is recollection? Recollection is a time with the Lord. It is a time to rest. Rest means reflection, reflecting on our lives, on the past lives and our present lives, and going back to the bad things that we have done and change for the better. E is for encounter God, self, and others. It is a time to discover and strengthen our relationship with God, and also an encounter with oneself and with others. S is for silence, to feel the real presence of God, to talk to Him and to have time with Him. And lastly, T is for trust, trusting God that He will guide us and He will be the one to lead us and to have a strengthening of our faith. Good day.